Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the modified sedge stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, how to make the single crochet stitch, the double crochet stitch, and be familiar with the regular sedge stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. I have already made this little test swatch here using two different colors, so it's going to be easy to see how the stitch is going to be made. I will have the yarn that I'm using and the hook that I'm using listed down below. For the body of my test swatch, I have already made the modified sedge stitch. This is what it will look like. If you're starting from the very beginning, making chains, you're going to make chains in the multiple of 2. This stitch is going to be made from 1 row repeated. I will show you how to make that 1 row on the row that I am currently working. And I have already made 1 chain on my hook. To begin your row, you're going to skip over this first stitch completely. You're going to be working into this second stitch right here. You're going to work a single crochet and a double crochet in that same stitch. If you're working this into chains, you're going to work the single crochet and double crochet into the second chain from your hook. Skip 1 stitch or chain. Work into the next one, working a single crochet and a double crochet into that same stitch. Skip 1 stitch or chain, work into the next one, working a single crochet and a double crochet. Skip 1 stitch or chain, work into the next one, working a single crochet and a double crochet. You're going to repeat these steps until you get to the end of your row. When you get to the end of your row, work 1 single crochet into the last stitch, then work 1 double crochet into the top of the previous chain from your last row. And that's how that row is looking. So like I said earlier, this stitch is just going to be made up of this 1 row repeated for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the modified sedge stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at Crochet Me Lovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.